my channel. My name is Ariel and this is Mrs. Ariel Bella TV. So today I did a tutorial. We're ending off hot girl season. Like, hot girl summer is coming to an end, y'all. Like, baby girl. But we're gonna go into Tina Snow winter. But right now we are wrapping up hot girl summer, and what way to end hot girl summer by using Aunt Jackie Aina's makeup palette. Brand spanking new, just came out at the beginning of this month. And y'all know I had to get it. Like, I had to get it. This was like a no-brainer. Like, why would I not get it? Beautiful colors. Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills did another beautiful collaboration together. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. I'm going to film another tutorial using this tomorrow as well. So y'all going to see probably like 1 or 2 more videos on this palette because it's freaking bomb. I just wanted to put all the colors on my eyes today. But I just love the pigmentation. I mean, Anastasia Beverly Hills does not let me down. So yeah, this is one of my you know, I have a few other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, but I haven't bought any recently, which is a shocker for me because I usually get all her palettes. The last one I got was the Modern Renaissance palette. Like, wow. So Jackie Aina collab with them, so you know, no brainer, I had to get this. So yes, so if you would like to see how I created this beautiful look, just keep on watching. Before we get started, I'm showing you this beautiful palette. Look at all these beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Have a mixture of matte and shimmer shades in the palette. And I'm also going to show you this cute double-sided innet brush that Anastasia Beverly Hills always provides you with. Looks just like this. And for the first color, I'm going to go into the color Ginger, and I'm going to place this in my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the color Big Wig and place it underneath the Ginger. This color was like really bright on me. I really love this color. It's so pretty. And then next, I am going to go into, well, the first color I used was Pinker, and then I went into Big Wig after that. I'm sorry. So Pinker was the first color, and now I am going in with Big Wig, which is this deep purple plum color. I'm going to do a cut crease, so I'm bringing it all over my eyelid so you can see the color very well, even when I cut the crease. So next, I am taking this is a Morphe flat brush that I'm using, and some concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease. And then next, I'm going to take the color Soleil, and I'm going to place that all over my mobile lid. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This color is so pretty. Next, I am taking the color called Sam, placing that next to the Soleil color. I'm using patent motions on my eyelid. Then I'm just taking an angled brush by Wet n Wild and Big Wig just to cut my crease to make sure it's very precise on both sides. Then I'm going to take a mixture of Big Wig and Wigglies and place that in my outer corner. And next, I am taking eyeliner by MAC. This is Black Track, and creating a little wing. For primer, I'm going to take the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Makeup in NC50. And then for concealer, this is the MAC NC45 Concealer Pro Longwear. And then I'm contouring with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Then I'm taking MAC Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set my concealed areas. I don't know what I was doing in this video. I was acting a straight fool. And then I'm just going in, setting my whole entire face with Studio Fix by MAC NC47. And then I'm using that same, this is a contour powder by MAC I use it to contour my cheeks, and now I'm also using it to contour down the bridge of my nose. And then I am putting Definitely Black in my waterline, and I'm taking Big Wig and Sponsored underneath my lash line. I'm just going in with my face powder and a Real Technique brush just to sweeping away the translucent powder. For blush, I am going into a blush trio by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So pretty. And it's a Clinique blush brush that I'm using. And then I'm going with the Amrezy highlighter. highlighting underneath my brows. And I'm going to take Trust Issues and place that into my tear duct area for a highlight. For my lips, I am taking, this is Cork. Yes, Cork lip liner by MAC. Y'all was cutting up in this video, dancing and everything. Then I am taking, this is a Love Me lipstick by MAC. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the one that Mary J. Blige had on, guys, on her Instagram that she created with MAC. Then I'm going in with a Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. And I believe this is called Gilded. It's so pretty. As a lip gloss topper. And y'all know I gotta intensify my highlights. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the Amrezy highlighter onto my skin. And this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed, stay booked, stay busy, and I'll see y'all next time. And blend it. Bye.